Good morning everybody. It's day 38 of lockdown and I've got some explaining to do. In yesterday's video I said that I was moving away from that particular location because I was guaranteed to get some video footage from that camera placement, because that's where the foxes walk in and walk out. I could put the bait down, guaranteed to get some footage. And of course I didn't. I just got the rat and the rabbit. So last night I went out and I put the camera back in that position on that same fence post, but just a little bit higher this time to get a different perspective. Because when the camera was lower down, you got some really good footage of the vixen with the 2 kills in its mouth. But the infrared was sort of down on the floor, and when it went off into the into the darkness, you couldn't quite see where it went. So I thought I'd raise the camera up and hopefully the infrared will go a little bit further and it might just give us a bit of an idea. Plus it will just set my mind at rest that yes, they do actually go in there, and that's where the den is, and that's where they're living at night or during the day, wherever they live. So that's what I did, and that's where we're going now, to get the camera from there. Now, pigeons. My theory is that because they didn't come out and weren't on film, well, maybe they came out, but I think they've just strolled past the camera after the bait's gone back, the rat's eaten all the bait. So they may have just come out briefly. But my theory... just hit the camera on there. Just going across the little bridge. My theory is that because it rained most of the day and in the night, that the foxes just didn't come out to feed or to hunt. Now I did do some research and it does say that foxes will stay in the den if they're not desperately hungry if it's raining. So I think that's what they've done. So yesterday morning it rained, but in the afternoon it brightened up, sun came out, dried things up a bit, and I'm out this morning and it doesn't look as though it's rained in the night. So hopefully we will have some footage. Right, let's go and get the camera. Right, bait's gone, but I'm not for 1 minute going to suggest that we've got anything on camera. But anyway, just got a bit of a theory. That's where the camera was, just there. So I've walked back down here. So if you go through there, and then all that is just all this basically, and I've got a really strong scent here. So I'm wondering, are the foxes going in there, and then somewhere in this corner, because I'm getting a really strong aroma. Just a theory, but you never know. Something's definitely come out of there. Whether it be of its own accord or by force. This is the type of thing you can look out for. I don't think it comes across on camera okay, but you can see where the grass has been flattened there and then flattened again. And you can almost see that's where the paws were there, and then it did its stride, and there's a paw there. So between those 2 marks you can gauge how far apart, going that way, the front legs and the hind legs, you get an idea of the size of the animal, and that is sort of fox size. Could also be dog, domestic dog, not male fox dog. So it goes from there to there and then flattens to about there, equidistant to there, and then there's another flatten of grass as it strides onto the path, and then you lose the track. This is one of the areas, only probably a week or two ago, I set the camera right there. There's that bit of grass that I put on top of the camera. Look how grown up it is now, how overgrown. All them grasses have grown. These little shrubs, they've all grown up. So it's like a little area now. So this will be a nice little area to come back to at some point and place the camera. It's looking very grey and menacing over there. It's just started spitting. So I'm going to make my way back now and see if we've got any footage. Keep your fingers crossed. Look at all those oak apples on there. It's covered. Okay, so firstly, I nearly didn't come out tonight because it's been absolutely lashing it down. There was a break in the cloud, so I thought I can't let you down, I'm going to have to come out. But it is raining now again. Secondly, got some good footage last night, the footage I was after, just proving that the fox does come back in to that particular piece of land, back to its den. So I'm quite happy with that now. Got about 10 clips, but only 3 of them were of the fox, and that really good one about 5:30 this morning. Did you guess it right? The other 7 were just the rat. So I hope you enjoyed that one. If you did, give us a thumbs up, just for the fact that I've come out in the rain. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button up here, or the one down there, and don't forget to click on that bell icon so you don't miss out on my next video. Right, I'm off to place the camera for tomorrow morning. Hopefully it'll dry up a bit.